Okay, here in this video we will be discussing about electricity part 2. Part 1 I have already published in my channel. Let's go and watch it. Now see, the first thing we will be discussing in this chapter, in this video, is electrical. This will be electrical circuit, not component. This is electrical circuit and its component. The what is electrical circuit? Electrical circuit is a closed path through which current can flow easily. So the proper definition is interconnection of various electrical components in a prescribed manner to form a closed path is electrical circuit. What are the main parts of electrical circuit? One is source from which the chemical energy produces energy that can be convert chemical energy to electrical energy. Next one is control, that is switch. Next one is conductor, which is wire, and final one is load, which is bulb. So this is a short. This is the, you can say that, a very basic form of electrical circuit. Let's move to the next slide. Here you can see the various symbols of the components of the electrical circuit. You should take a snapshot of it. So let's move to the next slide. The basic property of electrical circuit. Electrical circuit is always a continuous closed path. Second, there will always a source is attached to it, which is the source of electron. In an electric circuit, the flow of electron takes place from negative terminal to positive terminal of the cell. Direction of conventional electric is positive terminal to negative terminal. That is the opposite to the flow of electron. Remember that these two are very important. The direction of electrons flow is negative to terminal, but direction of electric current is, we have taken positive to negative terminal because of our convenience. There is no such feature, it's just for our convenience. Let's move to the next one. There are two types of electrical circuit. One is closed circuit, other one is open circuit. Open circuit, generally when you switched off, then you create the circuit open. For open circuit, there will be no flow of current. In closed circuit, a current will flow in only in closed circuit. Here are the pictures of open circuit and closed circuits. Let's move to the next one. Now we will discuss about the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law gives us the relationship between potential difference, current, and resistance. The statement of this law is the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across it, and provided physical conditions are same. I proportional to R, or V is equals to IR, where R is equals V. I proportional to V, or V is equals to IR, where R is resistance, V potential difference, and I is current. See the diagram here. This diagram gives you the entire logic. So V is equals to IR. See, this is V. So I and R is written just one upon another. Na? So V is equals to IR. Now see I is equals to V by, this is I, so V, and this is R, so V by R. Similarly, R is equals to V by I. From this diagram, you can easily remember the various formulas or various form of the formula of electrical Ohm's law. Now, what is resistance? Resistance is the, what I can say, that opposite when a current flow, it faces some trouble in flowing. So you can say that a load in the electrical circuit is its resistance. That you can say, it produces some resistance is a thing that produces some trouble in making the flow of electricity current, where the electric current changes from electrical energy to heat energy or some other type of energy. That junction point is electrical energy. Generally in our circuits, the electrical loads is the electrical energy. So loads are the resistance. So this is it for this video. We will be discussing